Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, you have seen how to send this particular message to a web page. Without a HTML document, you have created that thing. So now let me run this again and show you. Okay, so this is because we have given the URL as hello welcome here. That is the reason we got that particular error here. So we'll write welcome here and try running this. As you can see, we have got this particular output here from this particular Django project. So let me create a new project. Let me first close this particular project and create a new project. We'll write DJ2. So from now on, we'll name the project names as DJ1, DJ2, and also on, guys, because that will help us to retrieve whatever we are learning. So this is the project name as DJ1, Django 1. Okay, and in this I'll write AP1, that is application 1. So now let me create that particular project. So you can see here the project is created now after that is done. So in URLs, let me import views here from AP1 import views. Okay, now we'll create a URL for that particular views. Path, empty path with a comma, views.display. So the moment I click on this alt enter, so you can see the display function is ready here. So now we'll write some code here. We'll first import HTTP response from django.http import HTTP response. Okay, now I'll write a message. In that message, I'll write a HTML code msg equals to, I'll open the HTML tag here, then the body tag, then we'll give the background color as bg color equals to green. So we'll follow proper indentation way so that it will be neat and clear. So after that, I'll give some heading, that is h1, and I'll write welcome to programming with Gautam YouTube channel. Now I'll close the h1 tag here. Similarly, I'll close the body tag here. Now I'll close the HTML tag here. Now instead of returning none here, I'll return HTTP response object with that particular message. Now when we run this particular project, so this is the problem that I'm getting on regular basis, guys. So I think there is a problem with the latest version of Django or something like that. So import OS. The moment I import OS, I'll not get this particular error here again. So you can see I have just written some HTML code in this. particular message, and I've sent that as message in to this particular HTTP response, and to this URLs I've sent it as a message here. The moment I run this particular project without with an empty path, I am getting this particular page. So we can also change the background color here. We can change it to yellow. So we can change the color again to some random color, black, and just refresh it. So nothing is visible, but we have text here. When I try to select it, you can see the text here. And we can change it to gray. Okay guys, so this is what we can do with when we use a HTML page, what we can do with a HTML page. So we can also create many different HTML pages, and we can do this. We'll be seeing about those in the further videos as well. Okay guys, so hope you have understood how to use a HTML code with a Django project. So what I basically did is I have created a view called as display. I have just put the display there, not even display. So in the same way, I have taken display here and not display. I have changed it right now. So then I have created a view called as display, and I created a path for that view, that is the URL. We can also put display in the URL section as well. So when I refresh it, you can see there is an error. So if I take /n and display, you can see it will show the proper page that we want. So this is in welcome page. So when I refresh it, we'll be getting an error here. It is showing only 2 pages that are available, that is admin and display. Okay guys. So hope you have understood guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.